my beauties, I am back here today to do a decluttering video with you guys. I'm going to start off with foundations and we're just going to get right into it. I will show you guys really quickly where I place all my foundations. Can you see? Oh crap, it's coming out. Okay, so it's this, and then there's one more section in the back here. As you can see, it's pretty cluttered in here. I can't really fit any of my new foundations. So I'm going to pull it all out, and then I will show you guys everything all together. Alright guys, so you're not going to see my face, but you can see the foundations, so that's what matters. This is all of my foundations. Sorry, some of them are really like dirty looking, but I haven't touched them in a really long time. So let's just start. I know that a lot of the higher end I am mostly keeping because I spent so much money on them. I feel like I should use it worth my money. I'm for sure getting rid of this MAC Studio Water Weight Foundation. When I first got it, I really enjoyed it, but I think I prefer the MAC Face and Body over this. And I've already used it halfway, so I don't know, maybe I'll just throw it away or give it to my sister. This is, where is it? The Dior Star. And the Dior Star is not my favorite, but it's not my least favorite. And I always keep this because it was a gift. So even if I don't use it up, I'm going to keep this forever. I'll just leave that there. Anything else high end? Not really. I'm going to get rid of the Revlon Color Stay. I've had this for a really long time, so I think I need a replacement on this. It's probably expired. Get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I tried this I think only once or twice and it wasn't my favorite. It looked kind of dry and cakey on my skin. Then I will get rid of this here. This is the Lush Jackie Oats. I heard a YouTuber talk about this and I love the way it looks on my skin because it's just really dewy and it has that. It doesn't cover up a lot of hyperpigmentation or anything, but it just gives your skin a glow. But like once water hits your skin or if you become really oily, it'll just disperse. So it will not be good for you. Anything else? I will get rid of the Rimmel Lasting Finish. I loved this when I purchased this, but it's not the right shade for me and I don't really reach for it at all. This is by far my favorite Rimmel foundation. And I just wish they made this in a lighter shade because I can only kind of pull this off in the summertime. I'm gonna get rid of that and maybe purchase a new one in the summer. I have the Dewy Smooth Matte and Poreless and then the original. I have these two in 120 and this one in 110. 110 is my shade, but I like to mix it with 120. I'm going to get rid of the original one because I've had that for a long time. And this is basically like almost out, and same with this. So I'll just use them up. I like to mix them or else I just use them separately. Sometimes I can't even tell what the difference is. Oh, I have another Matte and Poreless in 110. I guess I have 4 of these Fit Me's. I'm going to keep them all because I actually use this very often. This is the Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Beige and Soft Ivory. I like to mix both of these, but I don't really think I'm tan enough for this one, but I'm going to save it for summer. And then this is the NARS Luminous Weightless in the shade, what is this? Well, it's the lightest shade, I believe. I got the lightest shade because this is my favorite foundation to mix with other shades that are too tan for me. But okay, I should start going into too much detail because I will do my top 5 foundations in a different video. I have both of these and I don't love them separately, but I love them together. The Luminous Silk Foundation and the Power Fabric Foundation by Giorgio Armani. I also have the Maestro Glow. I like this foundation on an everyday basis. I think it's a bit expensive to be wearing every day, but I get a lot of product. This is the CoverGirl Olay Simply Ageless foundation, and I like this foundation a lot. I just wish it wasn't so pink. I usually have to use like a yellow powder with this. I'm going to keep that because it makes my skin look flawless basically. I have both of these by e.l.f. It's the same foundation, but they don't have one that matches me perfectly. I don't think I need this darker one, so I'm going to get rid of that one, and I'm going to keep Porcelain and see how this goes. I'm going to get rid of the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. I love this foundation, but I've had this for quite a while, so I'm probably going to purchase a new one. Same with this one. It's a decent foundation. It's a little bit too orangey pink for me, but it looks nice on the skin. I've had it for a while. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep my Aqua foundation by Kojin. This is not my favorite, but I'm going to keep this, the Makeup Forever Water Blend. I can use that on just lightweight days. I'm going to keep this. And let me see how much I have left of this. Debating on this. Yeah, I should probably just use it up. I will use this up. Oops. This I like for every day. It's a little bit too pink. This I like to cover up blemishes. I have the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer. I don't love this. I prefer the NARS one, so I'm going to get rid of this one. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick in Ivory. I will keep this. I don't love it or hate it. I'm going to keep my Hourglass Stick foundation. This is probably one of my newest foundations. I'm going to keep that. This is the Full Cover. I forgot what brand this is. This is a Korean brand. It's a pretty good BB cream with decent coverage. And then I have the Klairs Illuminating Supple Blemish Cream. I like this as well. So, I'm going to keep all this. Getting rid of 2, 4, 6, well, like 11 foundations, which isn't too bad. I mean, yeah, it's decent. So all of these are going to go in the trash or be given away. All the expired ones, of course, is going to go in the trash. And then these I'm going to keep, and I'm going to challenge myself to finish at least half of these foundations in 6 months or so. Because if I'm constantly purchasing new foundations, I need to be using all of these foundations. Alright guys, that is it for my decluttering video. I did this pretty quickly, so the setup isn't amazing or anything like that, but let me know if you guys want to see any more decluttering videos and I will do that for you. Bye!